Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow in-app purchases from iTunes and App Store on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, let's go down and tap on Screen Time. Then go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Then tap on In-App Purchases. In here you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. So select an option and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if you don't allow in-app purchases, then from now on, whenever you try to use an app and that app require you to make an in-app purchase, it will be blocked. And that's it. Thank you for watching.